Have you ever formatted your PC and then faced this problem like no Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, no sound, low screen resolution, or missing display drivers? And then you spend hours searching for drivers on random websites, downloading files, and sometimes even installing the wrong ones. But what if I tell you that Windows already has a hidden built-in tool that can back up all your drivers in just a few minutes without using any software or even without internet? In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to back up all drivers before formatting your PC so that you can restore them after a fresh Windows installation. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Before we start, let me quickly explain what we are doing. Windows stores all installed drivers like Wi-Fi, audio, graphics, Bluetooth, chipset, and more. Using a built-in command, we can export all these drivers into a folder. This means after formatting your PC, you can reinstall all drivers instantly without internet. So this is basically a lifesaver method before formatting any computer. Now let's start the process. First, connect a USB or external hard disk to your computer. You can also save it in another drive, but I recommend using a USB for safety. Here, create a new folder. You can name it anything, but I'll name it drivers. Make sure you remember this location because we'll use it in the next step. Now we need to use a built-in Windows tool. Go to Start, search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator because without admin permission, the command will not work. Now comes the most important step. We'll use a tool called DISM. Don't worry, this is not any external software. It's already built into Windows. Now type this command. Let me explain this command so you understand it properly. DISM is the tool that does the job. Online means it will work on your current running Windows. Export driver means it will copy all installed drivers. Destination is the location where drivers will be saved. In my case, my USB drive is D drive and the folder name is drivers. If your USB drive is different, like E or F, make sure you change it accordingly. Now press enter. Now Windows will start exporting all drivers. You'll see the progress in the command window. This process may take a few minutes depending on your system. Once it's completed, you will see a message saying the operation completed successfully. Now close the command prompt. Now go back to your USB drive and open the drivers folder. Inside, you will see multiple folders and files. These contain all your system drivers, including Wi-Fi, audio, graphics, Bluetooth, chipset, and more. This means your backup is successfully created and you can now format your PC anytime without worrying about missing drivers. Now let's say you formatted your PC and installed a fresh copy of Windows, but your drivers are missing. As you can see on my system, I installed Windows 11 offline without connecting to the internet. Right now, my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are not working because their drivers are missing. The Realtek audio driver is also not installed, which is why you can see a cross on the speaker icon on the taskbar. I also have an NVIDIA 1660 Super graphics card installed on this PC, but it's not showing in Device Manager because its driver is not installed yet. And you can notice a few yellow warning signs on some chipset devices, which means their drivers are either missing or corrupted. So now I'll fix all these issues by installing the drivers from the backup we created earlier. Let's see how to restore them. First, connect your USB drive. Then right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. At the top, you'll see your computer name. Right-click on it, then click on Add Drivers. Now click on Browse and select the drivers folder from your USB drive. Make sure you enable Include subfolders because all your drivers are stored inside multiple folders, and if you don't enable this option, Windows won't be able to scan all of them. Now click Next. Now Windows will automatically scan and install all missing drivers at once. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. This step is important because some drivers may not work properly until you restart the system. Once your PC restarts, everything should start working normally again. Your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will be restored. The speaker icon will return to normal with audio working. Your graphics card will appear in Device Manager and all those yellow warning signs will disappear. You can also use this backup later to install or update a specific driver. For example, if your Wi-Fi stops working in the future, you can update just the Wi-Fi driver. To do that, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and click on Update Driver. Then select Browse My Computer for drivers and choose your drivers folder. Enable Include Subfolders and click Next. Windows will automatically install the correct driver. So that's it for this video. You have successfully restored all your drivers without using any software or the internet. Now your system is fully ready to use, just like before formatting.